Well, I was impressed. I was told that the whole resources of AEP were put behind this to get it back up. That's great. I'm impressed with that. But I also, as a manager, I know what it took to get all those people to the right spot, all the material to the right spot, and to get everything pulled together and get it done efficiently. And I'm still impressed with this management team, with which you are the head of it. This management team pulled off basically a miracle.
And it was an incredible task to move 4,000, resources in our area to get the power back on. I've been in this business and around it my entire life, never seen anything like it, the devastation. This means a lot to us, that you would take the time out of your schedule, stop what you're doing, and come and honor this group. So
the only thing I can say, with all the adjectives that are at my disposal, is wow.
Thank you very, very much. We appreciate it. Thank you.